3, 2, 1.
Okay, here's our helper, saddle guys, Braden and Samar. Hey guys, you guys want to say something? So the logo.
So 3GCPC.
Yeah. So Braden's doing the paperwork, and what are we working on, guys?
Working on a Silverado.
A Silverado wheel bearing noise.
You find your vehicle information right here or on the door right here. Okay.
So, how to identify a wheel bearing noise, a hub noise on the GM? You gotta spin it while you feel it. Which I can feel it now, it's loose. See that? Let's record. Yeah, that's bad. Same thing. And that is a noise, right? This side is good. And there's nothing. And there's no noise. Perfect. All right. So we're gonna do that side. Good. Right now, we're doing front wheel bearing. We're moving this. Okay. Remove this guy. Make sure you disconnect that from there. Usually, sometimes it's so hard. Okay. There's always a locking pin right here, though. Red locking pin. Make sure you remove that. This locking tab. So hard. Yes, it's like dirt. You gotta make sure you're careful not to break this one, otherwise. So this one is usually like this tab right here when it's so dirty, right? You gotta make sure you gotta play around with it, so otherwise you're not breaking the actual tab. Anyway, we're gonna have to remove that from the button. We're gonna have to remove this one, remove this guy, remove this. Okay. Okay. Give me the orange. What do you want? I think it's in there. It's in the car. It's like a drug.
Enough to.
Yeah, that guy.
จอดเอาไว้แม่บิดจังเนี่ยเราอีก
Right here. Make sure you clean all that stuff up. And then, clean all the dust. Okay, guys. So we had the wrong one. Now we finally get the right one. So things happen for, it's not like a normal stuff. It's always have. We're gonna put the book back in there. And put- Make sure. Okay. Well, let's put it on. Right there. Now. Screw back inside. Make sure you torque it down. If you don't torque it down, this car will come back to you. And then you're gonna have customer complaint. Why my car is still make the same noise? You wanna pass me the torque, Brayden? Inside that box?
The blue one.
Blue torque. So let's say this one torque down about 45 to 50 foot-pound. Alright. Now. Make sure you put the right pull back in there. And put that on just to hold it down. So the rotor is not keep coming back. Okay. Now let's put this on. All right. Now we're gonna put the caliper back on. Basically, 1 or 2. This one torqued out about 100 foot-pound. 115 foot-pound. 115 foot-pound.
150 foot.
Okay. Now, what size? What size are we 17? 18. Okay. Now, let's torque it down. Torque it more. Can you get it up? Good. Bottom. Perfect. Nice. Now, let's put this clip back on. Always make sure you put this back on. And then, when you plug this one, you make sure it click. If it's not clicking, you're not doing it right. And then lock it down. If it's not. Alright. Good. 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 Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel, spin the wheel. 21. Okay, where's the torque? Lots of it down. What I did?
You ain't professional.
That's facts. Oh yeah, sorry.
Real professional. That's facts.
That's quick. Good. Okay. I'm gonna break.
Oh.
Take me, put the on. Okay. All right. Yeah. I'm going on a test drive. Så jeg tenker for si på Purify jeg ikke med okay jeg ikke så takk lese med det til radio. Rapapa si med rega. Resani. Okay. And we thought you rolled up. I think it's good if you rolled up. So,
Ja, mij nee, papa si pa me fi me mare.
oh, okay.
Ja, bu me usunya kits me si pa me fi ya.
Oh, ewa.
Ikas at pusi me ipua karaven.
Oh.
Iwe kits me fi kits me roho na
Era noise.
usunya bukaruguren mota. Emo sine mota me.
Okay.
Silverado. Ngame pare ye ngame me. Pula ikawo ga kapamot ngame kame.
Me fi.
Say we ngame kame fi be.
Okay.
Gunna.
All right.
Usunya ba gugure emo sine mota e kaise.
Arsa pa speed ya.
Iwa ka le wette.
What the speed? Okay.
Kaise on a freeway we ida.
Okay, so.
I would me speed that me fe paru mote.
Okay, yeah. Well.
Yeah, it is so good days to and put away yes if it not me able to see baby that's at try video
Ever.
Yeah, it is a tapu.
Okay, yeah. It's okay, you're popusir up as our so yeah.
It is a tapu to man. We see that way Google Mota.
Okay. You are AC fan? Yeah. Pussy bought like a wow. You got man, AC gives me certified AC. It's a more Rasmus machine. You know, but soon you can get all that subject. Satori, but pussy buffer AC. New York kira vacuum as a vacuum out. So, ran under Washington wasn't illegal as you were open near AC. Erdoni, I guess it gets no license. So, our Rasmus was at Doriva, Papa with the ads for AC. It's so jabber.
Hey, we area now. Kira kita tobe ikaraya, kira to vera to era la via, 4 to e mamma mia.